Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have a geometry question and we need to solve for x. They gave us a figure which I'm going to name it as A, B, C, D. We need to find the value of x, and from our figure they gave us isosceles triangle A, C, B and a straight line D, B. We are going to use those to find the value of x. Let me start with straight line D, B. I'm going to call this angle as angle Y. Consider straight line D, B. The sum of angle for a straight line is 180. That means if I take 108 plus Y, this is equal to 180. 108 plus Y, this gives me 180 degree. I'm going to find the value of Y. That is Y is equal to 180, take away 108. This gives us Y is equal to 72 degree. Having the value of Y equal to 72, now we can use isosceles triangle ABC to get the value of x. We know the base angle of isosceles triangle, they are equal. That means angle CAB equal to 3x and angle CBA also is equal to 3x. Since line AC is equal to line CB, they showed us by using these symbols. We know that the sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180. Sum of interior angle of a triangle gives us 180 degree. That means 3x plus 3x plus y. This gives us 180 degree. But already we get the value of y equal to 72. That is going to be 3x plus 3x. That gives us 6x plus 72. This is equal to 180 degree. Take 72 to the right hand side. Now we have 6x. This is equal to 180. Take away 72. 6x is equal to 108. I'm going to divide by 6 both sides. I'll divide by 6. I'll divide by 6. By 6, 1. By 6, we got 1. The value of x, this is equal to, by 6, 1. By 6 to 108, we get 18. So the value of x is equal to 18 degree. I hope you understand this geometry question. For more questions on geometry, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.